Hello, my dear students of class 12. Welcome to the online class. How are you? Hope that you are fine. I am also fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Boni, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today our revision class. Chapter 7, topic sampling, statistics, second paper. Today I will discuss some comprehensive question from this chapter. Dear students, let's start our class. Our first question is, no sampling error exists in census. Explain. Yes, dear students, no sampling error exists in census. At first, I will explain the what do you mean by sampling error. The error that arises due to drawing inference about a population based on sampling is known as sampling error. Okay, dear students, it is such an error which is unavoidable in spite any higher degree of cautiousness in selecting a sample, but these errors can be minimized by maximizing the sample size. The less sampling error. When the sample survey, the sampling error reduced to 0. That is, no sampling error exists in census. Dear students, this is the second comprehensive question. What is parameter characteristics of sample? Explain. Dear students, at first I will discuss the what do you mean by parameter. Parameter is not characteristics of sample. A part of population selected for study is called a sample. In other words, the selection of a group of individuals or items from a population in such a way that this group represent the population is called a sample. Okay, dear students, what do you mean by sample? It is clear that now any statistical measure computed from sample data is known as statistics. Okay, dear students. So, what do you mean by statistics? Again, I will say any statistical measure computed from sample data is known as statistics. Hence, parameter is the characteristics of population, but it is not the characteristics of sample. Okay. Okay, dear students, now I will discuss the question number 3. Is sampling error possible to measurable? Explain. Dear student, sampling error is possible to measurable, because we know that what is the sampling error. The error that arises due to drawing about a population based on sampling is known as sampling error. Previous we will discuss. Now I also discuss the again. Mathematically, if theta is a parameter of population and theta cap is a statistics of sample, then the measure of sampling error is modulus theta minus theta cap. Okay, dear students, the question is, what is the difference between population and sample? Explain. At first, I will discuss the population. The students, here only 2 points out this question, two difference. First is definition and second another points. The definition of population refers the totality of all the items or individuals having some specific characteristics. Okay, the number of elements of population can be finite and or infinite. Similarly, sample, I will discuss the definition of sample. A representative and considerably small part of population is known as sample of that population. Second point, the number of elements of sample can be finite. Okay, dear students, next question. Dear students, now I will discuss what is the difference between parameter and statistics. At first, I will discuss the what do you mean by parameter. Any statistical measure computed from population data is known as parameter. Clear, dear students? It is the characteristics of population. That means the parameters are mean, mu, variance, sigma square, etc. Similarly, now I will discuss what do you mean by statistics. Any statistical measure computed from sample data is known as statistics. It is the characteristics of sample. The statistics are example as mean x bar, variance s square, etc. Okay, dear students, and now I will discuss the another question. Dear students, now I will discuss the what is the difference between sampling error and non-sampling error. Explain. Difference, we can draw a structure. Let's then 2 points. Number 1 points. There are following difference between sampling and non-sampling error. Number 1, sampling error. At first, we can write the definition. The error that arises due to drawing inference about a population based on sampling is known as sampling error. We will discuss before this definition. Similarly, non-sampling error, any sample estimate may also be affected by error other then the sampling error is known as non-sampling error. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the definition of sampling error and non-sampling error. Another point is to second point is sampling error is measurable. Sampling error is measurable. Similarly, non-sampling error is not measurable. Non-sampling error is not measurable. Okay, dear students, next I will discuss another question. Okay, dear students, now I will discuss next comprehensive question. What is possible to reduce sampling error 0? Explain. Again, I will discuss the definition of sampling error. Same definition right here. The error that arises due to drawing reference about a population based on sampling is known as sampling error. It is such as error which is unavoidable in spite any higher degree of cautiousness in selecting a sample. When the sample survey turns to be a census survey, the sampling error reduced to 0. Okay, dear students, this is our last question. Can sampling error be completely eliminated? Explain. Sampling error cannot be completely eliminated. At first, we can write the definition of sampling error again. The error that arises due to drawing inference about a population based on sampling is known as sampling error. It is such an error which is unavoidable in spite any higher degree of cautiousness in selecting a sample. But this error can be minimized by maximizing the sample size, the less sampling error. When the sample survey turns to be a census survey, the sampling error reduced to 0. We know that, but in this case, it is not possible that the sample survey do not turn to be a census survey. Hence, sampling error cannot be completely eliminated. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the comprehensive question. If you face any problem, watch the video again and again. Then if any problem, then discuss with me. Thanks to all. Goodbye.